induction week this week at the medical school. So I'm gonna go and head off because I'm meant to be there at 9. First day of medical school. Okay, calm. Okay, see you guys. So during the first week back, there was a Churchill Square shopping centre event. So it was called the Student Lock-In, and basically it was just a time where they had a lot of discounts, and so you could go to different shops and see if there was anything you wanted to buy. I got a few things, so yeah, it was cool. My name is Christabel and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't actually filmed much, but I filmed a little bit. We had like, okay, basically, I'm Christabel. First year medical student. Wow, that sounds really weird to say. I did a biomedical sciences degree at the University of Brighton, and now I'm studying medicine at Brighton Sussex Medical School. So I basically had my first proper week of classes last week, but we didn't really have that many like lectures anyway. So I've been trying to settle down, trying to understand the law of the land kind of thing. And so now I'm ready to film again. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen today anyway. I'll film as much as I can and I hope you come on the journey with me. So please, before you do anything else, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of this video, and we continue on with our day. It's about 8:15 now. I have basically about 5-6 lectures today, starting from 9 o'clock, and I finish at 3. So each lecture is actually an hour long, which is quite different considering when I did a biomed degree, my lectures would be like 2 hours long, or sometimes even 3. So that's okay. So it's Tuesday. Today I have clinical practice workshop. So I'm not really I know what it's supposed to be about. So it's supposed to be a simulated event, but I probably will talk to you about it afterwards because I want to see what it's actually like. I have to be like in clinical setting clothes kind of. So I picked this out. Hopefully this works. I think this is right. Anyway, so I have a lecture now from 9 at the Checkland building. That's where I'm going to. And then after that I have a seminar. Then I have my clinical workshop. And then I have something else as well in the evening. And then I have some things to do with the student work. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So these are some of the fun things that we get to do on the campuses. So I got to help out with a quiz night, so it's pretty cool to be a part of. So today is actually a Thursday, so I literally had to think about that. Why? Don't know.
So on Tuesday, I basically had my clinical practical workshop. That was really cool. I got to talk to patients and be able to take clinical histories. So we learned how to take one. It was quite nice because we did it in a group, which was really nice to do. Then also yesterday, it was basically lectures. So we had an academic skills lecture because we have an essay to write very soon. That's due October, the end of October anyway. Other than that, we had one more lecture, which was human genomes. That was just the introductory lecture to that. So yeah, that's pretty much what we've had. So today I have another few lectures from 9 till 1, and then I get to go home because tomorrow I have a dissection. Because one of the great things about being a Brighton and Sussex medical school is that there are dissections that you get to do, so you get to learn. Not many medical schools actually have that. If you're thinking of going, there's another reason. So yeah, I'm gonna head to class. I know I've been kind of inconsistent with this, but I will get there in time. I'm just trying to figure out what the heck I'm doing first. When I understand everything, then yeah. But yeah, just settling in, basically, that's what I mean. Yeah, okay. So, I'll see you soon.
Hey, look what I got. I got my stethoscope and my cover for it. That's so awesome. I just got it today. So I went to the reception to get my first ever stethoscope. It's the Littman Classic 3. I think that's like the recommended one that they usually said that people should get for first year and onwards anyway, for med school. That's as far as I know. So I got the black one with a rainbow finish. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Can't believe I got one. Okay. The first one. Let me open it. My hands are. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Okay, let's see what it actually looks like. Why are the Haribos in this? Haribos. Is it Haribos? Yes, Haribos. Alright, fair enough. Oh, look at what it looks like. Man, that looks so cool. Okay, I'm turning it around. I think I had it the wrong way up. Oh, okay. So I had a pen in it. They gave me a pen. I don't know what's in it though. I can't see what it is. Just got a tassel. I think it's probably a tassel for the case. That's really cool. Oh, I got extra one of these too. So I guess it's to replace that after. So I went for the pure black one. And as you can see now, that's really cool. I'm gonna look at the feature. Exactly what I was looking for. I wanted the rainbow thing. Oh, can I get it to focus? There we go. So I got the rainbow one. So it's all black with rainbow finish. Let's see if I can actually see my name. Oh, it's there. Okay, wait, hold on. We're gonna have to turn this around so it can be seen. I need to keep record of this because I want to have it. There it is. There's my name. See? And it's got a star on it because I love stars. If you hadn't noticed, you know, on the end credits of every video I put reach for the stars, so there it is. Oh, I've got a stethoscope. That is so awesome. Anyway, yeah. And so there it is.
So a cool thing about Brighton and Sussex Medical School is that you can join societies. So you have the option of going to societies at both the Brighton campus and the Sussex one. So I went to the Politics Society. I find it quite cool. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I didn't really do much afterwards. I basically went home. So thank you so much for watching. You can see me there. I'm smiling. And please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below, and see you guys soon. Okay. Bye!